Hey guys, today I will show you a small box. Look at this. What's in it? Okay, we can see some product shape and we can see some function. Okay, look at this. We can see the words on the cover. Wireless Carplay adapter. Look at this. And we can see some function. Plug and play, online navigation, online music, and voice control. Today we have to try out this device. Okay, now let's open the box. Okay, first we can see the user menu. And about the user menu, we have 5 languages: English, Chinese, Japanese, and so on. Look at this. And this is our rule of this video. Okay, look at this. Wow, it's portable and light. Okay, it's portable and light. Look at this. It's like a mini rectangle. And we can see the corner. The corner is very smooth. Okay, look at this. Okay, what can you see in the small box? How can you see the USB plug? Okay, now, by the way, look at this. What's in it? We can see 2 cables. Okay, 2 different cables. This is USB with Type-C. And the another one is Type-C with Type-C. For the first connection, you just connect USB. Look at this. And this for your car adapter. And then you can see the Carplay interface. This is the Grand Navy Carplay small box. The first connection is just need to connect the Type-C with the car USB adapter. Since the first connection interface, now we can see it's connecting. God, the Carplay is being connecting. This Carplay shows you it's convenient to use the Carplay past the small box. The Carplay interface will still work when you turn off your phone. In addition to this, we can see the music, car steering wheel control, voice control via Siri. After first connection, Carplay will connect automatically.